Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, hey, Mo, I shouldn't be laughing, but you know what? So guys, remember Utobile said that she did want to have another meeting where Umayeni would be there where they can discuss. So one of the things you're going to be seeing on tonight's episode is that the wives, Zawam Selegu, indeed are going to be meeting, the four of them. I'm not so sure if it's the same Tobile meeting or what, but it seems like it. Now, what we see in the trailer, I'm just like, hi bo, Mayeni. Mayeni is asking Utobile a question. Uthi nawe kanti, did you also not know Uti the lady had been lobolad or what? And it looks like Utobile answers and says no. Because we see Utobile meeting up with her sisters, telling them Uti yena, she doesn't even know number 5. Yeah, she doesn't know her. So now it's giving vibes. Umayeni says in her diary session, ukuthi alikho iqiniso kahle. So it's giving off vibes ukuthi Umayeni is asking uTobile ukuthi Tobile, are you saying ukuthi ngempela you didn't know ukuthi number 5 had been lobolad? And Utobile says no, and Umayeni doesn't believe it. She's not taking it. She's like, no, Utobile probably is not speaking the truth. That's what it looks like according to the trailer, you guys. Now people are coming for Umayeni and they're like, Mayeni, listen. Hey, we love you, but don't come for Utobile for nothing, you guys. Now we all know, guys, there's this narrative that runs around in the Mselebo family, or at least amongst the wives, which whenever something happens, Utobile probably knows about it. And now this time around, it seems like she doesn't know about number 5, about her getting lobolad, number 5 getting lobolad, and people are just not believing her. I am just not getting why must this even be a big deal? Whether she knew, whether she did not know, guys, I'm just like, at this point it's irrelevant because number 5 clearly seems like only way because Umatale has met her. Like, why should there be a big deal around this whole thing? I'm just like, guys, Umayeni is coming for all of them and it looks like no one's going to survive. No one is going to survive at this point. I'm just like, Mayeni, please, ma'am. Your fans are fighting for you each and every day. And hey, nizokatala nina, because I'm just like, yo, Umayeni is here, guys. And uzengempi, and it looks like ne peace akaifuni, peacemaking what? It's like she's not there for peacemaking what? She is here to state ukuthi like this is how I feel about everything and this is how I feel about everyone and I'm not going to be apologetic about it. Oh guys, sasha. Anyway, you guys, you tell me your thoughts around it. Do you feel like Umayeni is overreacting if really she seems worked up, or if she's worked up about the fact that Utobile saying ukuthi bekangazi ukuthi number 5 uyoxoliwe? Why, like, do you think it's a valid thing for Umayeni to be worked up about that? Or what's your thoughts around it? Now, Umayeni and Utobile, guys, they've got their own things. And I feel like sometimes, yes, Utobile unalendo yokuthi she plays victim because Utobile did say some things about Umayeni, you guys, past season, which she's delusional and what. Umayeni also has said some things about Utobile. So none of them are innocent here. But anyway, I feel like this is not the time, guys. It's not the time to even be talking about number 5. Number 5, they should just be focusing on Umusa getting well. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.